Westermans here, showing a walk around the shop. Seeing that the engineer's got an ESPRIT Lightning HD on the bed, which is being serviced and cleaned. So as the Edge Pro CNC unit, the Hypertherm 130, you can see very clean inside. It's been cleaned and being serviced. A tangle of cables at the minute, but they'll be all sorted out before the machine's dispatched. Customer's in a rush for this one, so it's being pushed through as quick as possible without cutting any corners. ESPRIT is one of the most popular machines we actually sell. Other machines in stock from ESPRIT, like with these 170 fitted or the 300. I believe we're just going to do a test cut now. There's a test cut. Nice looking machine. No doubt there'll be a few more test cuts before the day's out, so thank you for looking. More details can be found on westermans.com.